Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Wednesday afternoon, round about almost 2 p.m. and I thought I would share with you my recipe, a very easy recipe, a go-to recipe when I'm short for time to make this wonderfully delicious spinach and feta cheese pie. So if you're interested to see how I make this recipe, please keep on watching. First of all, you're going to need a pan. You need 2 eggs, 2 sheets of puff pastry that's thawed. You're going to need 250 grams of feta cheese and also probably around about, say, 300 to 400 grams of spinach. So first of all, I'm just going to mix in the cheese with the spinach. I'm going to add 2 eggs, knock the shell, some pepper, just some black and some salt all together, some sour cream, probably about 150 grams. Now I'm going to add probably about 50 grams of some tasty cheese. You can use tasty, you can use mild, you can use extra tasty cheddar cheese. You can even add mozzarella if you want. It doesn't have to be this kind of cheese. Now I'm ready to line my pan. Just putting down 1 sheet of the puff pastry and the other sheet I'm going to have to cut to size. Space like that. Make sure you get every single last bit at the top. You just lay it evenly on the top like that. Fold down the edges as best as you can. You might need a knife. It doesn't matter if there's a bit of gap because being puff pastry, you'd normally have to make some holes in it or put some forks into it. This way it's already got an opening, so therefore it won't burst like that. And once we've done that, we can either put butter on it, but I just tend to use spray. Salt on the top. Spinach and cheese pie, assembled and made in less than 15. Now, all you have to do is set the oven to about 180 Celsius, fan forced, for around 40 to 45 minutes or until the pastry is golden. Then take it out of the oven and let it cool in the actual pie plate, probably for about 15 minutes, and then you can cut up and serve. And there you have it, everybody, my famous and delicious and easy spinach and cheese pie. I hope you enjoyed this little segment. If you did enjoy watching me make this very simple dish, spinach and feta pie, please hit the subscribe button to my channel. Also give it a thumbs up and hit the notification alert for all the upcoming videos. I have to go now, signing out, so I'll see you later. Bye for now.